Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. In this video, I'm going to be looking at slips, trips or falls in the workplace and offering you some completely free advice on how to bring a claim for compensation that you'll be able to act upon straight away, along with information on how you're able to speak to a law firm on a free, confidential and no obligation basis in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. When we go to work, we are each within our rights to expect to be able to carry out our work in a safe environment. But if our employer has been negligent in their role of maintaining this environment, then accidents can happen. Accidents which can result in injuries from slips, trips or falls. If all this sounds familiar to you, then the good news is that you may be able to bring a claim for compensation. Regardless of what your mate down the pub thinks, when it comes to getting advice on these types of claims, we believe that it is always advisable to seek help from an expert with experience in dealing with claims of this nature on a regular basis. So I'll shortly be going into how you can speak to someone from a law firm without paying a single penny. But first, I'm going to go over a couple of things that you can do in order to help strengthen your claim. First up, you should make sure that an accident report is completed in the workplace's accident report book. Ask to check this over at the time to ensure it is correctly completed and no important information has been omitted. Make a note of anyone that witnessed the accident, as statements may need to be taken from them at a later date. If you can, take photographs where the accident happened and, if possible, what it was that caused the accident. Have your injuries assessed by a medical professional and make a note of when this assessment took place, which will make it much easier when getting hold of records at a later date. Keep track of all expenses incurred as a result of your accident. This can include medical, travel, care costs, the cost of any personal items damaged in the accident, along with any loss of income or potential future earnings. It's important to remember that all employers are legally bound to hold employers' liability insurance, so if you're successful in bringing a claim for compensation, the financial sum that you will receive will come from the insurance company and not from the pockets of your employer. Now, earlier on, I mentioned that I'd go into how you can speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge. And if you'd like to speak to a workplace accident claims specialist, in order to see what your options are, you can contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are Accident at Work Claims Specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.